Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix an iPhone that won't charge when plugged in. So, your iPhone stops charging randomly for no reason. You plug it into the original charger with a charging cable to a wall. It says it's charging with a lightning bolt showing on the battery icon, but the battery percentage doesn't go up. You leave it there and let it plug in to charge for hours. However, the battery becomes dead and the iPhone won't charge or turn on at all. If this is your case, keep watching and we'll show you how to fix iPhone not charging when plugged in. First, let's quickly go through some scenarios of an iPhone not charging issues that most users in the Apple discussions community might encounter. iPhone isn't charging when it's plugged into the wall or with a wireless charger. You have an iPhone that won't charge and is dead with zero remaining after an update, like iOS 17. You find your device doesn't hold a charge when charging in car. The charger is plugged in, and your iPhone charges, but it won't charge past 80. You can't charge the iPhone or turn it on. Next, take a look at the common reasons why your iPhone is not charging when it's plugged in. Faulty power source, faulty charging cable or charger, debris in the charging port, incompatible charging accessories. It's obvious that the iPhone refuses to charge if the charging cable or the power adapter is not certified by Apple. Software bugs, activated optimized battery charging, old battery. If you've used an iPhone for a long time, the battery is too old to hold a charge or may need to be repaired or replaced. Physical damage, liquid in the charging port. Now, follow me to try the troubleshooting steps below to fix an iPhone not charging when plugged in to solve all kinds of potential issues. Don't worry if you're a novice of digital devices or a new iPhone user. We'll introduce all the methods step by step, making it easy to learn how to fix iPhone battery that won't charge by yourself. Besides, if you have any questions about attempting these tricks for iPhone charging issues, write them down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. 1. Check the power. It's obvious that your iPhone won't charge if you plug it into a power source that doesn't deliver power. If you're charging an iPhone in the wall, plug a desk lamp or a computer into it. This simple step enables you to know whether it's working. If your iPhone won't charge in car, in a laptop, or wirelessly, try doing a charge through a wall power outlet. If you fail to charge your device with a cord in the wall, try charging your iPhone wirelessly. This feature only is supported by iPhone 8 or later iPhone models. If your iPhone starts charging after switching the power, it means that the power source is at fault. If they are working well but your device battery is still not charging, try the next step. 2. Check the charging cable and charger and switch if needed. If your iPhone isn't charging when plugged into a wall outlet, take a look at the cable and charger or power adapter. Carefully inspect the lightning cable, starting at one end and working your way through until the other. Check the lightning cord for wear and tear also. Look around the charger or power adapter for any damage on the surface. iPhone charger or charging cord remains not working. Switch to new ones. Make sure all these new charging accessories are working well and compatible with your iPhone models. Hope now you have a fully charged battery on your iPhone. 3. Fix the overheating charge. iPhone charger or the device itself can become warm when charging. It might stop working and charging if you put the charging iPhone on a sofa, bedding, or a pillow. The fix is to unplug the charger ASAP, take it to a cooler environment, and then charge again. 4. Clean charging port. Inspect the charging port at the bottom of your iPhone for debris and electric sparks on the connector. Accumulated debris and dust will affect the contact between the connector and the cable, preventing iPhone from charging properly. Carefully use a toothpick or a pair of metal tweezers to get any dirt you find from the port, then plug the device into a power and let it charge for more than 30 minutes. Thereafter, see if it gets your iPhone charging again. 5. Fix iPhone not charge above 80. So, you find your device stops charging or charges extremely slow when it reaches 80%. It's likely that the optimized battery charging feature is activated on your iPhone. It's a function released by Apple to improve the overall lifespan of your iPhone's battery. It's a good benefit, but if you want to turn it off, here's how. Go to Settings, tap Battery, tap Battery Health and Charging. Disable the optimized battery charging option. 6. Restart iPhone. Now, we're going to fix the software-related issues for the charging issue that cause your iPhone not to charge. A simple fix is to restart the iPhone. If you're using an iPhone 10, 11, or later iPhone models, do this to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the volume up or down button and the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to the right and wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If you're using an iPhone 8 or older iPhone models, do this to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to the right and wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Connect your iPhone to the charger and see if it fixes your iPhone charging problems. 7. Force restart iPhone. If a restart doesn't get your iPhone charging again, force turn it off and then turn it back on. If you're using an iPhone 8, iPhone 10, or later iPhone models, do this to force restart your device. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If you're using an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, do this to force restart your device. Press and hold both the volume down button and side button. Continue holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. If you're using iPhone 6s or older iPhone models, do this to force restart your device. Press and hold both the home button and the sleep or wake button. Continue holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. 8. Install an update. An iPhone that wouldn't charge may be the result of an old iOS version. The quick fix is to upgrade your device to the most recent iOS version. To update your iPhone, follow these steps. Connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap on Download and Install. If prompted, enter your passcode. Finish the steps in the following. Your iPhone will start downloading the update. Once done, tap on Install Now to begin the installation process. Your iPhone will restart and install the update. It may take a few minutes. If your iPhone is not charging or turning on, you might need to put your device into recovery mode and then use a computer to update the system. 9. Do a reset. Getting malware attacked is a complicated cause for why your iPhone won't charge randomly while on. If you suspect this, the only fix for you is to reset the phone. Please note that this process will erase all data and settings from your iPhone, so be sure to back up any important data before proceeding. To factory reset an iPhone, please follow these steps. Tap Settings. Tap General. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on Reset. Tap on Erase all content and settings. When prompted, enter your passcode and/or Apple ID password. Tap on Erase iPhone. Wait for the process to complete, which may take a while. Be patient. Once the process is complete, your iPhone will be restored to its original factory settings. If your iPhone won't charge or turn on when plugged in, you might need to put your device into recovery mode and then use a computer to bring the device back to its factory defaults. Hope now you can get your iPhone to charge properly. 10. Contact Apple support to set up a service. Okay, you've performed some checks on the charging accessories and charging port. And you've also ruled out the software glitch cause. If both of them don't fix an iPhone not charging, you should now spot on the hardware reasons. It's hard for a novice to figure out the broken hardware part, so it's advised to visit the Apple support website or use the Apple support app to schedule an appointment at your nearest Apple repair store. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix an iPhone that isn't charging when plugged in. We sincerely hope that the troubleshooting steps we've shared have been effective in resolving your issue. Remember, if you ever encounter any issues with your iPhone or any other device, don't hesitate to seek help in Cora Radar. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back in working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.